The little girl put everything together slow. Hey, if y'all not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Konosuba, the explosion in another world starts now.
Hey, check out our Patreon in the link below. You'll have access to uncut and upcoming reactions, skits, behind the scenes footage, and so much more. Your support goes a long way to helping us with more reactions and original content. Also, thanks for subbing. Set the bell for notifications. Your boy Rock Lee.
俺はアンデスボンボクラ is Rock Leeです。
俺にゃ、あとこです。
Sakpase Director Nasty.
We are your boy Rock Lee channel.
Yo, man.
Punishment continues.
Yo, we here. Well, how do I start this one off? I held off on it, right? Let's see what the little feelers are, because this is a comedy show, and I just don't know. I'm always apprehensive if I expect a lot of comedy. I'm always apprehensive because if I don't laugh or I don't understand what's going on or there's too much Japanese references, y'all look at me like a dummy, and that's just my fate with comedy-based shows.
And it's a spin-off.
Yeah. Spin-offs. A lot of people don't support the spin-offs. So like, let me see what happens.
Looking at Slime Diary, people.
Yeah, we're looking at y'all. But I see they nerfed a lot of them shawties, so like sad thing.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did, man. Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, we're here for it. All right, man, we're gonna jump into it. If y'all like our content, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, drop a comment, let us know. We post our reactions early on Patreon, including series that don't make it on YouTube. Check out the schedule for a list of those series. Like right now, we got Grand Blue is only on Patreon, and now Otis Heat came out, so I don't see Grand Blue hitting YouTube anytime soon right now. And yeah, check out the schedule. It has a list of those Heat. Reaction starts now. Damn!
Oh, yo! Who mama's this?
The size of the spell, of course, by the way.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Jeez.
She about to see life. She about to see her life flash right before her.
This is why she fell in love with explosion magic, probably. Jesus Christ.
I see 3 big reasons for that. One behind.
Jobu.
I say she got. I was curious about what she has on top of her chest, but I think it's a back brace. It makes sense. Cute. Of course.
No.
Of course.
これは後に希代の大魔法使いとも極めて頭がおかしい爆裂魔法使いとも呼ばれる一人の少女の物語。物語。
Jeez. That elf was crazy.
Yeah, I seen 2 eyes I couldn't take my eyes off of.
Me.
完成させたパズルがどこかに消えました。一緒に探してくれませんか？里の大人の人たちにここには近づくなって言われてな。大抵お宝が眠っているものだってお母さんが言っていたから毎日ここに通っていました。
Fair.
私の方みたいね。ねえお嬢ちゃん。
Has to be back braces.
願い事？遠慮しないで言ってみて。
There's no way she'd be able to lean over like that with that one.
世界征服。
I don't know how to say that in Japanese.
Yo, she want the heavies.
What can you do?
That's funny.
Yo.
Yeah, rephrase it. Tell her what your limits are.
Way more reasonable. Is that a Death Star, by the way?
Looks like it.
I want to shoot a cannon like yours.
Shawty love cannons, boy. I told you. Yo, speaking of cannons.
Yeah, she says no to everything good.
Yeah.
That's what I want. If I want world domination.
World domination. Demon King.
Crawfish and explosions.
That her mom?
Sweet union. Cicadas.
There's like no meat in it. Ah, it's gonna pinch her. Do they do that? Do they do that?
They got Pinterest, so yeah.
No. No. No.
Just called her
Aw.
poor.
Oh.
How nice. Is that charity?
The little sister, she's ready for the fight.
I thought it was gonna be bad with the little pincers. Mom got a lot going on. Oh. Real meat. Dang.
The hair, though. Chicken.
I'm a dragon. Oh.
She's so cute.
Match cut. Ha.
Oh.
What do they sell exactly? It just looks like trinkets and random things.
Right?
I saw a
Ahsoka.
ring, an amulet, necklace thing.
I don't like when they say humans like that.
No, they're better than us. I'm 1% elf.
Is this why they don't say nothing? Cause dad?
魔道具職人とお見受けした。お客さん分かる人だね。いやー、遠くまで売りに来た甲斐があったというものだ。そう。それはあなたを求める人を呼び寄せる効果があるんですよ。ほう。大切な人を探していてな。私の旅にうってつけではないか。10万円になります。
Damn.
それは経営ということで。
Oh.
もちろん。
What's the pack she just made? What's the pack? I missed the details of that one.
That she will most definitely find whoever she's looking for.
There it is.
Oh boy.
I want to know what she got herself committed to. Like something big is happening right now. Take the hammer down and save that money though. Oh.
Oh god.
Tubular. No one says that anymore.
Give her the eyes.
Give her the tea.
Fancy tea. Oh, cold water.
It's hot water.
Aqua.
Y'all not listening? Y'all not listening? Yeah? What? What? The little girl put everything together slow.
Interesting name.
The pulse counting scripture.
No, they snatching him up! They snatching him up!
Yo, they straight boom them off.
Cause they'll be here all day.
Take him off the stage!
That was actually funny. That was actually funny.
Poor old man. He's just trying to talk. Let him talk.
You took the whole reaction.
It's a random eye patch. Ah, that's why she wants massive.
Is this a college or not? What's up with this girl's VA,
Yo,
by the
I
way?
don't know, but she's way too. She in the wrong class. She got held back so many times.
Thank you.
We put a costume amongst these regular kids.
Ah, so.
Dang, she invisible like that.
Damn, they hit her with the background.
Stalker. Yes. Stalker.
Rival.
Everyone's like, what?
初っ端からライバル戦
This woman is crazy.
なんか燃える設定じゃないか
Nah, for real. This curly hair shawty.
私の学園生
Oh
活が
my
始まった
god, Union. Fumbled the intro.
クオマ族は上級魔法を覚えることで一人前とされる
Oh, really?
私の覚えたい魔法はそれじゃないあれ
そろそろ一月になるな。
That all looks like is going to sleep on the right.
Jeez.
爆発魔法、爆散魔法、爆撃魔法などが存在する。
先生大切なことが書いてありません
Explosion magic.
人生のすべてを棒に振ってまでして覚えたところで全く使う機会もない。 ただのネタ魔法なんだ。
With no practical applications.
笑いの才能まであるとはやるな
Is nothing even not impressive with this shawty? I feel like I want her.
She's the cream of the crop from what I'm seeing.
Everything's impressive to her. Nothing I do would be lame. She's like impressive. I'm like, thank you.
戦闘訓練を始める。
やったーこれを楽しみにしてたわよ
では、テスト成績2位、ユユ、答えなさい。
私ですか冷静さ
Then remain calm right now and answering this question.
大切だと思います
Bunch of goddamn Uchihas.
破壊力で全てを蹂躙する力こそが最も大切だと思うのです
She really can't see in her world.
確かに力はそれではたったの50点だ。
Jeez.
私なんてこん
Yeah, that's what,
That's what I was about to say. Oh my
こ
god.
れならばわかるだろう。
whatever she says is gonna be right.
Guru.
かっこよさです
100点だ。そう。
And she says it all the time, but I never would guess that's the answer here.
That's the whole point of magic, looking cool.
Nah, this is
Nah,
gonna
it's
yeah.
fire though.
やがて校長の椅子に座るわな。
Nah, it's stuck in here.
Makes sense.
Oh, he didn't even need the clouds.
I love that little extra.
Yeah, that's what he said the clouds for.
Just enhance the scenery.
The niggas like wind magic to gather the clouds,
Great poses.
producing magic to make great clouds.
At least it scares your opponent away. Potentially.
Yo, facts.
Oh, like damn, I don't know what he's gonna do.
No.
Crazy.
こいつは敵だ
Hey.
凄腕の大魔法使いになる可能性が高いです
Why you look at her
今
chest
ここ
though?
でどっちが上か
Cause
決めていきましょう
she got that
なんだかわからない
respectfully.
Flat as a board.
その我が名はドドンコ
Oh, I see. That'll work on being cool.
商売繁盛酒屋の娘いつもニコニコ元気払い
Yeah, what is that catch?
我が名はアルエ上級魔法
Damn.
熱いくださ
Damn. Oh, the developments.
これだけはうまいな。
Yo, they made that
Teacher,
girl
man.
special right off the jump.
Eye patch, heavies.
Kura.
なんだ、そんな照れてどうする。名乗りを制する者が高魔の戦闘を制するのだぞ。ああ、皇族のくせに珍しいことを言う。
She thinks she's great.
That's not the same Yu.
先生
That was the same Yu just now.
Yeah.
Whatever.
またか。今日の会は大事な授業。
They just added some extras. I was like, wait a second.
目覚めやこの
You awakening?
私の中にいる誰かがこの体を
そこで休むことを許す。そのために決して解放するな。
了解しましたでは
Did she lie about having 9 tails?
Yeah.
That's what I seen.
But did he buy it or is he
He
part of the
bought it.
hype?
He
bought it.
totally bought it because it looked cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at the layup she just gave you.
Oh, I
man.
see.
この里のお里に
そこはハったりでいいんだ
Just bluff? Just talk shit?
I was made to be Crimson Demon,
I'm
my
feeling the
boy.
hype already.
こうそしてこう
She's powerful and she's not trash. Trying to make that the shawty best girl, boy. Oh no. Or you summon the clouds? There it is.
校長先生が大好きに育てていた花壇のチューリップが流れてますよ
ビカン
Wait, it's for real.
Catch the tool.
お花が流れてますよ
Oh my god,
Oh
Cat.
my god, this is not good. This is not good. Maybe good.
Okay, so there's a zombie in this girl.
I don't know if I can take anything he says serious.
Nah, he's cap, bro.
He's capping the whole time.
He summoned the goddamn clouds, didn't disperse them, and they got rained on. Dude, terrible.
No, this is ridiculous.
This is educational.
強力な爆裂魔法なら一発で。
How?
ねえ、メグ。
Yo, that cooked tulips,
今
bro.
やってたけど、あなたは私のライバルなのでしょ。
See the smile though?
私とあなたは魔法を競い合うライバル。可愛いって何よ。
I thought she was already cooking up that spell, but nah.
爆裂魔法はネタ魔法。
This is good.
私はあの日見た
But she's not an elf.
あの光を。
Oh.
お嬢ちゃん。
Are we going to see the full again? My other half. Damn! I want to see it again from the elf. Okay.
So the dragon was sealed inside of her, got out, she hid it back inside of her with
Her
the
other
explosion.
half.
Yeah.
She said a story today, and you were talking about the Nine Tails. I wonder if that was supposed to be that story.
Maybe.
Possibly. The seal is breaking.
あの人みたいな魔法使いになるんだ。
I'm also gonna say that these Crimson Demons say it's joke magic for a weird reason. Cause they seem the type to have something that's perfectly like usable, but like not use it because like they're like, oh, it's joke magic because you can't XYZ with it. Or it's like it ends the fight too fast, it's too flashy, so we don't use it.
Honestly, they just don't teach it or anything for the sake of like humanity. Like anyone who uses it is like, it's like dark magic almost, you know? Like it's kind of like against the law, but not like against the law.
Now, every time Megami uses her explosion magic, she would get like a super exhausted. Can't do nothing else. So my take is, the elf can do explosion magic because it's an elf. That's like reserved for an elf. If humans do it, they don't have the mana to stay in a fight.
Maybe, but I also think she put all of her stat points, none of it on stamina
Yeah,
too. That's the other
correct.
reason.
That's
I
correct.
don't know.
That's correct.
They should okay, how do I say this? I hope they explain why Crimson Demons view explosion magic as joke magic. For me, it's gonna be like the stupidest, dumbest reason ever why they consider it joke magic. But if it's something actually practical like that, they're like, yeah, no, explosion magic drains you, so we don't use it because it's a joke. Like, what are you gonna do afterwards? Like, just lay there?
I'm assuming they think it's joke magic because when they do it, like they can only do a small amount of it, and it's gonna be like something like a party trick.
Yeah, or something like that. It's gonna be something dumb.
It's gonna be something like,
yeah,
because they can't
know
like they
it's
can't make it any bigger or anything because there's like a cap to it. Yeah, I think you're right. You're spot on with the elves thing because I know elves are like very in touch with nature and mana and stuff, so it makes sense for them to be able to do things better than the actual, you know, they're a whole different, you know,
Also
species
true.
basically. So
Yeah, she had to put all her stat points to even achieve it, right? So no one else was gonna do that. They spread out the stat points, right? So they had to spread out the stat points. So like if they do it, it's gonna be either lame or they can't pull it off or whatever. She put all her stat points into doing it, right? Therefore, she has no stamina for anything else, right? And then so the elf, I'm just gonna say the elf just does it, and that's just it.
That's just it.
And I'm gonna say that with that little dragon that was locked up or whatever, like that's a serious threat, and not a lot of people can handle that. And she just did it, and then went on about her day. So that's my thoughts on it.
True.
Anyways, I thought it was a funny episode. What do you guys think about the comedy of this episode, or what we watch?
it was really funny.
Yeah, I liked in the first episode that the jokes like. Yo, thanks for watching. If you guys like our content, smash the thumbs up, drop a comment, let us know. We post our reactions early on Patreon, including series that don't make it to YouTube. Check out the schedule for lists of that content. The schedule is in the description. They always call that stuff shit. You just want to take a look
I
at that
heard it
shit.
and I was like, oh. I thought that's what you were gonna say too. Also, hit the bell for notifications and be sure to click on our video so you can stay in your recommended feed.
If you want to join the Rock D League crew, go into the description. Hit that Discord link to connect to us and the rest of the shit talkers.
Alright guys, until next time, Rock D League.
And our couple nerds.
Dirk and Nasty.
Out.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, please go ahead and do so. The link is in the description of this video, and I actually tweet back. Much love, Rock D League.